Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call more so that ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 90 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 90 cents, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level now, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, so this applies to those that have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. I get it, that line's way down there, but as the name implies, moving average, that line is going to move itself higher and higher like that. So the easy way to just gauge the health of the overall movement, the strength, this right here being defined as, the overall move right now. Watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as that line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above that 89-cent mark, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full ownership of the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Friday? Initial area of resistance going to be right up here at the 95-cent mark. And then after 95, it's essentially a little miniature blue sky breakout because the next level of resistance is not until up around $1.10. Now, I'm not saying that if 95 cents is broken, then within 10 minutes it's going to be at $1.10. I'm just saying that from a charting perspective, you look here and there's really just nothing else up there. So more so kind of a little miniature blue sky breakout right there. So we'll see what happens. But overall, things are looking pretty bad mid-afternoon, but you got to give credit where credit's due. There was this nice little bounce right here. So, is this the start of something bigger? We'll have to sit back and see what happens. But no doubt about it, nice bounce. Now, can the price get the break of 95 cents? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.